Stop eating walnuts before you watch this. Not because walnuts are bad, they are actually one of the most powerful foods on the planet, but because almost every person who eats them regularly is making at least one mistake that quietly cancels out the benefits, or worse, creates real health problems over time. Today, we are breaking down the 5 most common walnut mistakes and exactly how to fix them. Why walnuts can backfire. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and plant-based protein. Research from Harvard Health Publishing shows that eating just 1 ounce of walnuts daily can lower the risk of heart disease by up to 15%. That is incredible for a single food. But here is the part nobody talks about. The timing, the portion size, how you store them, and what you combine them with can completely change their effect on your body. A healthy food eaten the wrong way can become a hidden problem. Let us fix that right now. Mistake number 1. Eating too many at once. More is not always better, especially with calorie-dense foods like walnuts. 7 walnut halves, which equals 1 ounce, already contains 185 calories and 18 grams of fat, according to the USDA. That is nearly 1/3 of the average daily fat intake in a single small handful. And while these are healthy fats, the digestive system can only process a limited amount at one time. Going over the recommended portion regularly can lead to bloating, digestive discomfort, and gradual weight gain, even when you think you are eating well. The fix: stick to 1 ounce per day, which is about 7 walnut halves. The best time is mid-afternoon, when digestion is most efficient. Pair them with a few slices of apple or a spoonful of Greek yogurt to support absorption. Moderation here is not a restriction. It is smart nutrition. Mistake number 2. Eating walnuts at the wrong time. Timing your walnut intake matters more than most people realize, especially if you take any daily medication. Walnuts are rich in fiber and healthy fats, both of which can slow down how quickly the body absorbs certain medications. Research suggests this delay can last up to 2 hours. If you take heart, thyroid, or blood pressure medication and eat walnuts right before or after, those medications may not absorb fully. The result can be weaker effects or inconsistent levels in the bloodstream. The solution is simple. Leave a gap of at least 2 hours between your medication and your walnut snack. Mid-afternoon is ideal. Also worth noting, eating walnuts late at night can slow digestion further and may cause acid reflux or discomfort, since the digestive system slows significantly during sleep. Think of walnuts as a mini-meal and time them accordingly. Mistake number 3. Ignoring food and supplement interactions. This one surprises most people. Walnuts are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which is excellent for brain and heart health. However, if you are already taking fish oil supplements, eating fatty fish regularly, or using blood-thinning medication, adding a large amount of walnuts on top can lead to excessive omega-3 intake. According to the National Institutes of Health, excess omega-3 consumption can increase bleeding risk by up to 40%. There is another issue worth knowing. Certain compounds naturally found in walnuts can interfere with iron absorption when eaten close to an iron supplement or an iron-rich meal. This is particularly important for anyone managing low iron levels or anemia. The practical fix: if you take omega-3 supplements or blood thinners, reduce your walnut intake to 3 or 4 halves per day. Keep walnuts and iron supplements separated by at least 2 hours. Even the healthiest foods need boundaries. Mistake number 4. Storing walnuts incorrectly. This mistake is one of the least talked about and one of the most impactful. Walnuts contain delicate unsaturated oils that break down quickly when exposed to heat, light, or air. When this oxidation happens, the oils transform into compounds that can contribute to inflammation and digestive problems. A study published in the Journal of Food Chemistry found that more than 90% of bulk walnuts tested in grocery stores showed signs of rancidity within 3 months. The problem is that many people cannot easily detect this, as the taste change can be subtle at first. Here is how to keep walnuts truly fresh. Buy small quantities, no more than a 1-month supply at a time. Store them in an airtight glass jar inside the refrigerator. For longer storage, the freezer is ideal and can preserve freshness for up to 1 year. Avoid clear containers or any exposure to direct sunlight. Fresh walnuts have a mild, slightly nutty aroma. If they smell sharp, bitter, or unusual in any way, discard them. Fresh walnuts nourish, degraded walnuts do the opposite. Mistake number 5. Overlooking allergy signals. Many people assume that food allergies only develop in childhood. Research published in the Journal of Allergy and Clinical Immunology in 2022 shows that adult-onset nut allergies are increasing by 12% each year, with walnuts being among the most common triggers. Early symptoms are often dismissed because they can seem minor: a slight tingle in the mouth, mild stomach discomfort, or a small skin reaction that looks like dryness. These early signals deserve attention because they can evolve into more serious reactions if ignored. Even without a direct allergy, cross-contamination is a real concern. Nearly 95% of walnut products are processed in facilities that also handle other tree nuts like peanuts, cashews, or almonds. Your action plan: if you are introducing walnuts into your diet or resuming after a break, start with just 2 or 3 halves per day for the first week. Pay attention to how your body responds, your skin, your digestion, and your breathing. Always check product labels for cross-contamination warnings. If anything feels unusual, stop and speak with your doctor. Your body gives early signals for a reason, and they are worth listening to. Your daily walnut routine. Now that you know the 5 mistakes, here is a simple routine to make walnuts work for you every day. Mid-afternoon, around 2 to 3 in the afternoon, enjoy 7 walnut halves with a few slices of apple or half a cup of Greek yogurt. This timing avoids medication interference and supports steady energy between meals. If you take morning medication, skip walnuts at breakfast and shift them to later in the day. If your dinner already includes fatty fish or omega-3 supplements, go lighter on walnuts that evening. One bonus tip: gently roasting your walnuts for 5 minutes before eating can improve both flavor and digestibility. Store them in the fridge, time them well, keep portions consistent, and your body will respond. According to the Harvard School of Public Health, people who include nuts in their diet at least 5 times per week show a 20% lower risk of heart disease and better cognitive performance over time. You do not need perfection. You need a simple, consistent habit. There you have it. 5 walnut mistakes, 5 practical fixes. Too much at once, the wrong timing with medications, harmful food and supplement combinations, improper storage, and overlooking allergy signals. Small adjustments to the way you eat this one food can make a meaningful difference for your heart, your brain, and your overall energy. Health is not about chasing perfection. It is about building awareness and making small, smart choices every day. Thank you so much for watching. It truly means a lot. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our next health tip.